Chukwu, come to me. Worldwide, in all states in USA, worldwide, come to me in all countries. Our family, generation, ancestors in Nigeria, Africa, Europe, Asia, Middle East, American continent, USA. Come to me in Mexico. And all Mexicans foundation worldwide, and in all Mexicans homes, foundation, office, business here in USA. Chukwu, Obala Ghali, Imee anu. Chukwu, Obala Ghali, Imee anu. Chukwu, Obala Ghali, Imee anu. Chukwu Special General 2233 dark all night. Obala Ghali, Imee anu. Obala, I spell them. Obala Ghali, Obala, Obala, Obala. Then you space Ghali, Ghali, Obala Ghali, Obala Ghali, Imee, Imee, Imee. Then you space anu, anu. They are all about animal. 247 unlimited automatic animal sacrifice, animal offering to the energies, to all the physical and spiritual energies. Then we tap in from their energy and bring them to us. Both our physical energy, individual energy, country's energy, all our energy. 247 unlimited, like offering, but now with spoken words. Some when they want to make their own sacrifice or their own offering, you see them go to the market and buy the animal alive and slaughter the animal alive. But I told you in account in the creation, in account in Genesis, during the creation, the energy is there creating. When they say, let there be this, and there became. Let there be that, and there became. Let there be this, and there became. And we are created in the account, saying, during when they want to create human, they say, come, the energies. That means they are more than one. Come, let us make man, woman, in our own image. The energy is there. All the energies they spoke about, we have that own, we share, and we have that own power to speak, and it happens. Decree you a word, and it shall come to pass. They are all in the Bible. Decree, proclaim that word, speak that word, you see them manifest. Speak them to the universe, you see them manifest. Now, Obala Ghali, Obala, Obala, Obala. Then you space Ghali, Ghali, Obala, Ghali. Then you space Imee, Imee, Imee. You space anu, anu. All are about Imee, anu, like when you bring the animals, whatever you want to use to offer to the energies, to energize them, and we tap from their blessing, capture all their power, authorities, manifestation, all are about animal sacrifice, animal offering. Then when you hear Imee anu could also be, you see cow, female cow, rooster, sense, they are included. Rams, goats, female goats, they are all Imee anu, and some offer them frogs, goats, agama lizards, owls, owls, agama lizard, owls, grasshoppers. Then you offer them oranges, sugar, pepper soup. They use them to move us forward. They use them, the ones they take and the ones they use to take out all negativities against us. They are all included in Obala, 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 Obala. Then you space Ghali, Ghali. Then you space Imee, Imee. You space anu. All the energies, physical and spiritual energies, come together. On Chukwu, all the energies come together. Chukwu and Ndotie, Obala, Imee anu, 247 unlimited. Transfer to you and your crew. Transfer. All the energies and spirit element, Obu house smell, Obala, Imee anu 247 transfer. All the spirit, the energy and fire element, fire element that uses red color. All the udo from fire element, Ijito sa kose from fire element, Obala, Imee anu, transfer to you guys. On Earthland element, green, the energy that uses green, ngene bu ngene, agu, and the crew, and ijitete, akete, male and female, there. Obala, Imee anu, transfer, 247 unlimited. Then air wind, that uses yellow, the energy there, arrow that uses yellow color. Then ijite ora and akora, male and female. Obala, Imee anu, transfer. Then on water element, all the energies in water element. Ijito obi, male, akobi, female. That uses blue color. Then ogugu in water element. Obala, Imee anu, transfer. Then all the akobala, aja and uku, aja and anta, higher and lower justices, come together, both physical and spiritual. All the court justice worldwide, court of justice worldwide, in all countries. All their Supreme Court, USA Supreme Court, USA Department of Justice, all the energies there, and physical and spiritual energies. Obala, Imee anu, like animal offering. I just listed animal offering and all, transfer. Then all the ancestors and the dead, to you guys, and the spiritual world. Obala, Imee anu, transfer to you guys. Be energized. All my Raphael Gabriel you rare. Obala, Imee anu, transfer to all. All the communion of sense. Ichie eke, ichie oye or orie, ichie afo, ichie nkwo, ichie ukwu, ichie nta. Higher and lower ichie in rank. Ichie nwoke, ichie nwanyị, male and female ichie. Ndị mbụ ndị egede, all the Asian fathers, Asian mothers, founding fathers, founding mothers. Obala, Imee anu, 247 unlimited. Transfer. All the energies in the world, spirit within, all the energies in wilderness, mountains, deserts, hills, wherever they are, all the energies there, in all countries, and other countries' energies, and all the Okuku Calabash energies, and our Kotule of our power authorities manifestation, and all our all the males, our masculine, all the males, our chi, Arabnago, Ikenga, Okike, Ojije and Onina energies, and all our females worldwide, their chi, Agwa Arabnago, Akwukwa, Okike, Ojije and Onina energies come together, and newborn children and more coming into the world. Obala, Imee, Anu, the energies, the animal offering, transfer, and be energized. All the energies, Nkwuaku.Olulu, Odira atunupa, atunupa, ora atunupa, atunupa otule, atunupa okala, okalora, ngune eriago, all the energies, eto obi ndi mmiri, water element, all the energies, Igwako, king from fire element, Igwaja ane, from earthland element, Igwe ikuku, wind king, Igwe mmiri, water element, the king, the energy, the throne, Igwe ubom, ubom, Igwe ezumezu alusi, all come together, and the energies and all the other countries, gods, goddesses, good that are good. Obala, Imee, Anu, transfer to all in the north and the south, in the east and in the west, and all the energies and our physical energies, all our foundation, our country's foundation, different countries' foundation, nations, families, generation, ancestors, all USA foundation, all the good foundation worldwide, and all legislation, executive, judicial, all our science and technologies, all our energies, Obala, Imee, Anu, 247 unlimited transfer to you guys, Chukwu and Ndotie, Ajana Chukwu justice, Obala, Imee, Anu, animal, offering, 247 unlimited, with spoken words, transfer to all countries, transfer to all in the north, in the south, in the east, and in the west, all the energies on the roads, on the streets, on the highway, wherever they are, worldwide, in all business, in all foundation, in all markets, Eke, Oye, our Nkwo market days. Obala, Imee, Anu, transfer to all, and be energized. All our prayers and all come together. We use male cow, female cow, roasters, hens, rams, you can get mother goats, all 33, 22, 33 kola nuts, drinks, wine, all come together. We stand up on all land, all ocean, all airspace. We skyrocket to sun, moon, all universe, all planets, stars, galaxy, cosmos, solar system, infinity's orbit, asteroid, heaven, earth, black hole, pot, Ikenganri, Arabnagunri, Okukunri, Okuku Calabash and Akotule, Unre, Eri, all the ancient, the energies coming to all. Obala, Imee, Anu, transfer to all, and move us forward. And prayer, we welcome all this prayer into universal worldwide science and technologies, all the energies that need animal offering, animal sacrifice, 247 unlimited. Obala, Imee, Anu, by spoken word, all be satisfied, all be filled, all be energized in the north, in the south, in the east, and in the west, and continue to protect the world, move us forward. I use boiled eggs, drinks, beer, wine, cigarette, weed for those that smoke, all that goes into the body that are good, to welcome this prayer, their energy, their power, authorities, manifestation, moving forward, stand firm, no going down, no falling, no giving up, moving forward and skyrocketing. Generation, continue moving forward, continue moving upward, infinity, upward and continue to skyrocket. Unlimited transfer. Prayer turn into USA, NATO science and technologies. Transfer to all countries too that are good. All countries transfer. Transfer to all worldwide. Transfer to Nigeria, Africa, Europe, Asia, Middle East, American continent, USA. Transfer to Mexico, Mexico country. Transfer to Mexicans. Transfer to Mexico national team. I supported them. I supported them tonight. But they didn't make it. But they lost, but they didn't lose. Some say they lost. The game ended 3-2. But it was a blessing. The game was tied 2-2. That 2-2 confirmed. Next time Mexico win. Tied 2-2. Then Colombia went to 3. But the game was tied 2-2. 2-2. Now Mexico and Mexicans follow. They already followed up. All their problems, all the problems, physical and spiritual, gone. Because now the energy already established in Mexico to all Mexicans. The nature, the way nature made it, you are either male or you are female, and 2 women in the world, male and female. 2 women in the world, male and female. 2 color in the world, black and white. The 2 color in the world, black and white. Night, black. Day, white. 2 color, complete. 2 eyes, 2 nose, 2 upper lips, 2 ears, 2 hands, 2 leg. Oh, 2. Now they follow. The prayer established to them are moving all Mexico country and all the Mexicans forward. Their national team, next time we win. I always support you guys when you play. I have Galaxy friends that are good to me. When I go to them, I stay with them in the Galaxy. And they are from Mexico. They are good. All my prayer and future upcoming transfer to you guys. Transfer to my country, Nigeria. And transfer to my nation. My tribe, Igbo land, all the Igbos worldwide. Transfer to us. Transfer to all. Nkwuaku family, my family. Aka Metal family, transfer to all. And continue to move us forward. Transfer to all. And moving us forward. No more energy. And now, all the energy, this prayer, cover all the energies like to their foundation. And they come together now to us. Any energy that needs animal sacrifice, offering, Obala Ghali through this prayer, Obala Ghali, Imee and 247 go to them, transfer all their power, all the energies come together now. You all must help the world, heal the world, move us forward, and fight negativities against the world, natural disaster, all the emergencies, psychiatric emergency, health emergency, natural disaster emergency. You guys help us fight the ones we see and the ones unknown, hidden secret. But you guys are in the spiritual world and here in the physical. Now, time to step up and protect the world, human world. And up there, sun, moon, all universe, all planets, stars, galaxy, cosmos, solar system, infinities, orbit, asteroid, heaven, earth, black hole, all there, come together and join. All the energies there. To all. Up there, I say to all, Obala Ghali, Imee and transfer 247 unlimited. So much it be. He say, Sanko FM Chief Priest, Peter Odira Nkwuaku in Los Angeles, California, USA. Chief Priest World, Chief Priest USA. USA. All worldwide. Stand up. Winner, oh, winner, oh, winner, we don't win, oh, winner, pata, we go win again, oh, winner, oh, winner, oh, winner, I say we don't win, oh, winner. Pata pata, we go win again, oh, winner. Are you a winner? I am a winner in the Lord, amen. I am a winner in the Lord, amen. Forward.